The entire crypto industry right now is less than $1 trillion. Yet confidence towards cryptocurrency is at an all time high. And 67% of millennials see Bitcoin as a safe asset already. Older generations are now slowly showing interest. Bitcoin is still the most popular crypto, but it's not just a Bitcoin story anymore, thanks to DeFi applications and many other various sectors in the crypto market, like gaming, like global payments, like smart contracts. We have now over 20,000 different currencies out there on the market right now. With all that being said, I think it's important to talk about zooming out right now in the crypto industry and really with your investing journey as a whole. And it's very easy for somebody new to the crypto market to check out, both mentally and cash out financially, and say, nope, this thing is not for me. But keep in mind, this industry still only caters to 5% of the world. Roughly about 300 million people transacted with cryptocurrency, yet we have a world with nearly 8 billion people in it. What does that tell me? That tells me we're super, super early to cryptocurrency still today. While Bitcoin has made tremendous gains from 2012 to now, there's still a lot more room for this entire sector, entire market to grow. And when we think about the future of blockchain technology and how many Web 2 companies, how many just big, big brands that are not yet into crypto, that gives me a lot of confidence. Oh, yeah, not to mention, we have billionaires like Mark Cuban and Mr. Wonderful who also regularly share their sentiment on crypto. And I'll just tell you this, both of them are extremely bullish on the future of cryptocurrency. Much like the internet, we go through these lulls or these periods of pullback, especially with new technologies. We're there right now when it comes to cryptocurrency. Yes, the true OGs, the people who've been here for a long time, they see it, but it takes time to adopt new technologies. Think about what people were saying when the internet bursted on the scene. People were saying, it'll never work. It's probably just a fad. I'm not going to close my retail business, my brick and mortar, and sell online. You're crazy. Now you're crazy if you have a brick and mortar and not an online business attached to it. It's pretty crazy when you think about it. But some of the billionaires that you see today in the world and people who've had a ton of success, they zigged when everybody zagged. What do I mean? Well, when the majority of the population were talking about the internet and how it would never come to fruition, it would never be this multi-trillion dollar sector and it wouldn't be as big as it is today, there were a few people who thought otherwise. There were a few people who invested in it. Those people are now extremely well off. And I think the same thing is happening right now with cryptocurrency. In fact, when you look at the trajectory of internet adoption and crypto adoption, it's following a very similar trend line. So with that being said, when in doubt, zoom out. Understand we are still early. Yes, we're going through a bear market, but it's not just crypto. It's everything due to worldwide inflation, due to a war going on, and many other economic factors working against us. But that's right now. That's not 5 years from now. That's not 10 years from now. A lot can happen in that time frame. Thank you so much for popping in, guys. This is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Check out all the links down below. Hop in the Discord to get up to speed on what's going on with ClearCryptos. I'll see you in the next video.